Standards-compliant documentation for load feeders in the TIA selection tool. The documentation is one of the most important, but meanwhile also most laborious components in electrical planning, and is probably not very enjoyable for you. Good news! The Load Feeder Configurator Plus in the TIA selection tool will make this work much easier for you in the future, because it offers a documentation function that summarizes all the necessary information, such as calculation results and ambient conditions, in a compact and clear document. In this example, a main circuit consisting of 4 feeders was created. The configurator can transfer this feeder combination to the documentation via the integrated output function as a print, text, or PDF file. This is relatively simple, as you can see in the following. It is important that the infeed is marked in the project navigation. Then just click on Print and, very importantly, select only the first item here, Load Feeders. For output as PDF documentation, select the corresponding item and then click on Print. Next, you only need to define the storage location, and after a few seconds of generation time, the PDF document opens with all the necessary information in a clear structure. The documentation contains information about the infeed parameters, in this case a TNS system with 400 volts and 50 Hz, as well as a complete overview of the network with the infeed parameters. Here also the total current, which was formed automatically, and the most important results and parameters of the individual load feeders, with performance data and rated currents, together with an overview of the equipment, with order numbers and calculated cable cross-sections. For each individual load feeder, the essential information is compiled at a glance. The tool takes over the individual and sometimes complex compilation of the entered application-specific data. On the one hand, the load is described in detail here. In addition to the network parameters, set motor parameters, line parameters, and switchgear settings, for example, the reversing start configuration here. Also, the set voltages and connection types are shown. The line properties and the single line diagram with the components and information are also inserted directly into the documentation. In addition, an order list and detailed calculation information is available for each load feeder. You can add this document, as it is, to your final documentation, so you can always check which results or properties lie behind this load feeder. Have fun trying it out.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.